Good morning, second graders, and welcome to math. We are on chapter 12, lesson 2. It is page 585. Go ahead and get your books out. Pause if you need to. And our learning target is solve compare length word problems. Now, comparing is when we look at this and find out how they're the same, find out how they're different. And when we're comparing length, we want to find out if this one is longer, if this one is shorter, how much longer, how much shorter. So we have to read the words very carefully. All right, let me look at this question. How much longer is the red ribbon than the blue ribbon? Now, in order to do that, you will need to get your ruler. So, the answer that it's asking for is inches. So, we get out our ruler and we make sure to start measuring. Oh, one thing I almost forgot. How much longer is the red ribbon? So, I'm going to make a mark here. The red ribbon than the blue ribbon. Now, blue down here, that is the one that I want to look at. This is an example of something that books do, that tests do when they are trying to find out if you are paying attention. Here's my advice. Read carefully. All right. So they want to know the red ribbon and the blue ribbon. Are they asking about this ribbon at all? You're right. Not at all. So I don't need to measure this one at all. They want us to compare red and blue. And they just put this one here so we have another one to look at. Don't be confused. All right? We can do this. All right. So we're comparing red and blue. Let's measure those two. I put my 0 at the beginning of the red, and I go to the end. And when I get to the end, I find out it is about 5 inches. When I measure the blue, I put my 0 on the start of the ribbon, not the paper's edge, but the 0. And I go and I find out it is about 2 inches. So, how much longer is the red ribbon than the blue ribbon? To find out how long or how much longer something is a difference problem. So I can say the difference between 5 inches and 2 inches. When I say the difference, I want to do a subtraction problem. I have this and this. What is the difference? If I brought this up here and I said, well, let's see, there's 2 inches. What's left is going to be the answer to my problem. And you are already right. I know that you're saying it to the computer screen. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So the difference is, you are absolutely right, 3 inches. All right, let's turn to page 586. All right, 586, let's look at problem number 1. It says, an orange fish is 10 centimeters long. I'm going to circle that because it's information. A yellow fish is 35 centimeters long. More information. And a red fish is 19 centimeters long. Let's look at my question. How much longer is the yellow fish than the red fish? So which numbers do we need? We need the yellow fish number and the red fish number. Do I need the orange fish number at all? I do not. It's just like this side where they have an entirely different color. We didn't need it for our problem. Same thing is going to happen here. They want to know about the redfish and the yellowfish. So they've got some boxes here. Yellowfish is how many centimeters long? It is 35 centimeters long. How long is the redfish? They said that the redfish is 19 centimeters long. And what can I do? I can say that 19 plus the difference is going to equal 35. So I can also say, because I know how fact families work, right? Fact families, 2 addition problems and 2 subtraction problems. If I know that 19 plus this equals 35, then I also know that 35 minus 19 is going to equal our answer. So let's set up the problem like that. 35 minus 19 is going to equal our answer. So what I like to do, I like to set them up in an up-down version, a vertical version. So I say 35 minus 19. If I have 5, can I take away 9? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't. I don't have enough. So I take one of these 10s and I put it over here with the 5. I don't have 5 anymore. I have 15. I don't have 3 10s anymore. I took one over here. Now I only have 2. 15 minus 9 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 35 minus 19 equals 16. 16 is the centimeters that it is different, right? I could say a different problem. I could say 35 plus 6. I'm sorry. I did it backwards. 35 minus 16 equals 19, right? That's another one of our fact families, 2 subtraction problems and 2 addition problems. Let's do one of the addition problems. 16 plus 19 is going to equal 35. And the other addition problem, 19 plus 16 equals 35. All right, so I have a yellowfish that's 35 centimeters long compared to a 19 centimeter redfish. When I do the math, I find out the difference, the subtraction problem, is 16 centimeters. All right, let's go to problem number 2 on page 587. A green scarf is 60 inches long. 60 inches. An orange scarf is 45 inches long. Orange scarf, 45 inches long. A red scarf is 36 inches long. Red scarf, 36 inches long. How much longer is the green scarf than the red scarf? So I can draw my picture just like I had on the other page. I can say I need to compare 2 different scarves. I have one scarf that's going to be longer, another that is shorter, and I need to find the answer to the difference. Here we go. how much longer is the green scarf, which is 60 inches long, than the red scarf, which is 36 inches long? Green is 60 inches long, and the red scarf is 36 inches long. When I do this problem, I can say that 60 minus 36 is going to equal our answer, or I can say 36 plus something is going to equal 60. We can do it however we want. When I look at this problem, I think the easiest way to do it is to subtract. So I have my larger number, 60, and I'm going to take away 36 of those inches. If I have 0, and we're taking away because we're making a difference, 0 minus 6. You're right, I have 0. I can't take any away. There's not any there. So I take one of these 10s and I add it to 0. Now I don't have 0 anymore. I have 10. I don't have 5 tenths. I don't have 6 10s over here. I have 5 10s. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 5 minus 3 equals 2. So I can say 24 inches. Now let's take a look and add this up. I want to check my work and make sure that I'm doing everything correctly. I'm going to just make this like a word problem, like a fact family, and I'm going to change it into an addition problem. 36 plus 24 should equal 60 if I have done everything correctly. 36 plus 24 equals, let's find out. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 0 in the ones column, and the 10 comes up here. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 more is 6, 60. All right, so I now know what all the pieces are. I know that the green scarf is 60 inches long. I know the red scarf is 36 inches long. And I know that the red scarf is 24 inches shorter than the green scarf, or that the green scarf is 24 inches longer than the red scarf. So, how much longer? 24 inches. All right. So, my advice, boys and girls, pay attention to what the question is asking, because we don't want to get tricked by extra colors, extra information that you do not need. All right. For your homework today, I want you to go to page 589 and do that page only. Then, if you want to go further, you can do the practice problems on page 590, the review and refresh at the bottom of 590. All right, have a great day.